I'm Ashley. I'm 45. I got a $900 commission notification and it changed everything for our retirement plans. If you're a woman over 40, worried about debt, worried about retirement, or just want more freedom, watch this video because I will show you exactly how I'm doing it with zero tech skills. Just a couple years ago, we lost our dream travel lifestyle. My husband's a disabled veteran. We had to completely start over, and I was terrified that our dream of traveling full time and our retirement was totally slipping away. No business background, no tech skills, and definitely no big savings to invest. Then I found the Legacy Builders program. It teaches digital marketing, and here's what blew my mind. You don't need your own product, you don't need to be tech savvy, and you don't need a big following. You promote high value educational programs and you keep 100% of the profit. This was my first sale, and I kept every dollar of it. And I'm not alone. Wendy is in her 50s and she has made over $600,000 in under 2 years. She's retired herself and her husband. Then there's Jessica. She's in her 40s. She has made over $500,000 in under 2 years and has also retired herself and her husband. So if they can do it and I can do it, so can you. If you want to get out of debt, save for retirement, or actually retire early so that you can travel and actually enjoy your life, this is what helped us. The product is $900. And because it's a digital educational program, there's no inventory, no shipping, and no customer service headaches. It is truly simple. And here's how simple it is. You learn the digital marketing strategies, you share valuable content that helps people, and when someone buys through your link, you keep 100% of the commission. Legacy Builders teaches you everything step by step, and it even gives you what to do for your content every day. I have a free Freedom Blueprint that shows you everything that I have done to make that $900 commission, and it shows exactly how you can start too. It is totally free. Go to wealthbuilderwelch.com and check it out. Grab it now. If a 45-year-old woman with no tech skills and no business experience can do this, so can you. Drop a comment below with your retirement dreams or any questions that you have. I read every single one. Don't forget to grab your free Freedom Blueprint at wealthbuilderwelch.com. It will also be linked in the description and the comments below. And I will see you in the next video.